Good morning, boys and girls.
Good morning, Master Posa, and how are you today?
And Father Christmas. Yes. Tomorrow I'm going to give presents for everybody who is not crying. Hello. Right. So if you cry, you're not going to get a present from me.